Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Welcome back to my little jungle. So, we are going to do this faster because the sun is getting so hot here. Look at these. They're all blooming now. That's so beautiful flower. I love this. And this is the, oh, I did not, it's a Burana green tree branch. Alright, so this is the Burana green. Well, the flower tells it it has green. Alright. It's so hot already, and I'm wearing long sleeves. But this is a cotton, so it's not too hot on my body. That's why it's all right. I'm wearing it. I'm not sweating right now, but I'm sure I'm gonna sweat later. So it has a node here, so it seems like it's going to give us another spike, but we'll see. So pretty, right? Alright, so this is it, my Burana. Okay, let's move to the next one. Oops. This here. Ta-da! Oh, it don't stink yet, but look at the flower. Yeah, the flower of this one stays it keeps bow like that. It's just so pretty, but I don't remember how they call it. But look at this, it has a glitters here. It's so glittery here, the flower, even at the center. I don't want to mess with it anymore. Ooh, there's something wrong with the leaf. Uh-oh, I messed with it. It's alright. And this is the one that has two like these. I have to, let's see, my scissor. Nope, I cannot use that scissor. Okay, I'm going to clean it when I'm about to repot it, but I have a new growth here. It's coming, and this is the mother of that one. I know these are going to give me spikes. This type of dendrobium really blooms so vigorously. It's just, I don't know why it doesn't have a flower that's much right now. Maybe because I don't know. I don't know why. Can you please tell me why, honey? Why you only have two flowers right now? Yep. I talked with my plants. Well, some people said that's weird, but yes, I am weird. My husband told me I am so weird. Well, it's alright being weird. I just want to talk with them. Talk with my plants. And I love talking with them. Even though it don't respond right away, don't talk back. They don't talk back to you. They just show. Look, it has node. I hope that's a node for, buds or spike. But anywho, let's put this back here. Alright. Ooh, it's gushing. it is squishing it. So let's put this right here and this here. All right. Okay, so we have two more from there. This doesn't have yet, but oh boy, there's a bunch of node there. Yep, all of these are going to give a flower very soon. A spike. Well, it starts with a spike, of course. Ooh, I forgot to put this back. This is from here. And yips. Uh-oh. Okay. All right. So, oh, I have a new growth there coming up already. And it has a bunch of new growth so far. So, we're good, huh? Okay, let's put you back. Ooh, it's getting so hot. I don't want you to get too hot from here. I'm going to put them at my shed. Alright, I need to make a little place for these ones on my shade. There's actually my orchid growing area, but right now it has my succulents. So I need to make a space there for these babies, but there's no way for me to take care of these babies this morning anymore after I remove these plastics here. I am going to rest because inside the house because it's so hot already and I don't want my head get achy again. All right, these don't have bloom, but it has new growth here. See, it has a new growth. Hey, I'm so sorry about what happened. What happened was while I was filming this last video, the sun, if you remember, the sun is shining so bright at me and it's too hot already, and my phone just quit because it got too hot, so it automatically went shut down, totally shut down. So that's why the video is cut. But anyway, after that, when I find out that the video is not running anymore, I just grab all my orchids and put it right here. So I have here now, I put some of it here and I put it right there first at my plant pot. It's a succulent pot actually. I just put it there because there's nothing on it anymore because the succulent died. I don't know why it died, but it died. So anyway, I put some here. I think I got, yeah, I have 5 here, 5 pots of dendrobiums, and most of it I put right here at my orchid tower. But this one here, and I have here too, that one, and this one, and here, and here. So this is where I put my orchids, and this is my orchid area actually, but I just neglected it. I never do anything in this side, so that's why. But it's all right. I'm gonna do something with it, maybe after winter because it's almost winter now, so I have to make a room inside the house to take care of them, and they're gonna stay in the house whenever the weather is a little bit cold, or the weather is cold, and if the weather is a little bit warmer, I'm gonna take them out here. So Yes, I'm so sorry for that last unwrapping session because it did not went well because of what happened with my phone, because I am filming using my phone only. So but anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. I'm going to make an update after this one.